the first so we won't have an n minus way to name this. This is just 8, 0. There are 8 carbons and no double bonds. So I'll add a double bond in here and then we'll get to n minus, but right now, same thing with omega. The omega, there's no double bond, so you don't need to write it that way. Okay, so, but the numbering system is you go from the, okay, so you go, this is the thing you take the first double bond from the methyl end of the molecule, okay, and that's omega, and then but it's n minus versus n, which is why these are screwed up. Okay, so also, sorry, we need a dry erase marker. It's not so late. Okay, so let's number this molecule. Actually, before we do that, let's put a double bond in it. Okay, so we've got C. Is that the one on the right side that you're doing? I'm just doing the exact same thing. I'm just adding a double bond.
See how this was trans?
Yes. So trans is opposite and cis is the same, and I'm not drawing my arrows. Like I gotta start drawing my. So it depends on this arrow, right?
Oh, okay.
So it's, I draw these this way. You can draw them, yeah. I mean, and then that can also be shorthand for cis versus trans, right? If both the H's are up versus both the H's are down. But what I'm actually caring about is this chain right here. And so I was drawing it to get out of the way because I was going to go up, but I'll go down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Which now looks like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have 8, 1 double bond, and the position n minus. So, okay, if you take a long one, so here's the methyl end, right? This is 1, 2, 3. It starts at the 3rd carbon. So you start numbering from the methyl end. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I miss?
One carbon.
I missed it. Thank you. This is what I'm saying. It's like, you just get totally messed up this whole thing. Okay. Okay. So we've got 8 carbons. There's 1 double bond in the molecule, and from the methyl end, you count 3 carbons.
The carbon on the left has to be an oxygen, right? On the,
What did I
on the
do?
drawing on the top?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Thanks. All right, yeah, so that's this. Okay, now let's name it in the omega direction. All right, so this is n minus. Or in the omega direction. Right, so this is 8 omega 3. So there